Happy morning, children. Welcome back to next session of English. To start with today's session, we are going to see a short recapitulation of previous session. What was our previous session? Our previous session was on reporting verbs. Reporting verbs, this is the topic we were discussing in previous class. Did you listen to the video properly which was sent to you? Have you taken notes regarding reporting verbs? I asked you to complete a textbook exercise. Did you complete that? Please have a regular follow-up of things what the teacher is telling you. Especially boys. Have the habit of taking notes what is being told by the teacher in the session. Because I can see girls is giving a good response. I want you all to take hints of what is going on in the session. This reporting verbs, I asked you to write this in your classwork notebook with dates. Have you taken notes? So our previous session was on reporting verbs. Now we are going to have a short recapitulation to enter into today's session. What is the topic we were discussing in previous class? It is reporting verbs. There you can see a conversation which I have given you. At the end of the last session, I gave you a question. It was like a conversation. I asked you to make that into indirect speech. I asked you to transform that into indirect speech. What is the conversation? Listen to the conversation now. Mother, you seem to be tired. Take some rest. Next, here Suraj gives a reply. I can't even think of relaxing. I have lots of homework to do. Next, you should not take too much stress. Suraj, don't worry. Please give me a hot cup of coffee. This is the conversation which I gave you and I asked you to transform this into indirect speech. Convert this into indirect speech. How many of you have done the work? If you have really done the work, I am happy for you children. At least if you have tried, really I am happy for you. And if there are students who have never tried it, really I am disappointed. And you know that this year, the mode of teaching is going to be like this. So you have to be more responsible. You have to be more responsible in doing the work. If you have not taken down the question, I'll just pause for you over here. Take down the question. I can pause only for a second. You just pause the video, take down the question. Grammar is something important from your board point of view, board examination point of view. Don't just skip the classes. Try to have a regular follow-up of things. Okay, now let us move into the answers now. Are you ready to get the answers? To go with the answer, here comes the answer. You can see. First, what is the statement? Mother, you seem to be tired. Take some rest. If you have converted this into reported speech, the sentence, the answer will be like this. Mother said to Suraj that he seemed so tired and advised him to take rest. Here you can see two reporting verbs. Mother said to Suraj that he seemed so tired and advised him to take rest. See, you can get the differentiation over here. This word advised, I have changed the color of the font. You know the reason why the color of the font is changed here. Yes, if you have listened to the previous video carefully, You would understand it. You seem to be tired. Take some rest. Mother said to Suraj, Suraj is the boy's name, that he seemed, the word seem is getting changed as seemed, to be tired, so tired, and advised him to take rest. This is the way you have to transform the sentence. In 8th standard, I told you how to transform the sentence, and you would have studied this from your lower classes. Right now, in 9th standard, I could not teach you from the scratch, from the basics. I am just going to highlight things which is needed from the board point of view. So be careful about the classes. I can't teach you from the scratch, from the basics. If you are going to listen to these videos, things will get cleared. You will come to know what is called reporting verbs. Okay, next statements. Suraj, I can't even think of relaxing. I have lots of homework to do. So this is the reply given by Suraj. Suraj replied that he could not even think of relaxing as he had lots of homework to do. This can't is changed as could not. I have lots of homework to do. It is here written as have is changed as had. When we see the answer for this question, how the reply is given by Suraj? Suraj replied that he could not even think of relaxing as he had lots of homework to do. So when you transform the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, there is a change in the modal verb. Can't is getting changed as could not. Past tense, as I have taught you already. And here you have the perfect form. I have lots of homework. So where this have is getting changed as had, past tense, to just represent the past tense. What are the reporting verbs used here? One reporting verb is advised and the other reporting verb is replied. Just to make a note of it, children, that is why I have highlighted you with a change in color. Make a note of it because the topic which we are seeing is reporting verbs. Shall we advance into the next slide now? Come to the next form. What is the next form of conversation? Here you could see mother. The next statement is given by mother. You should not take too much stress. How this can be converted into indirect speech now? This can be converted into indirect speech by changing the sentence as his mother advised him not to take so much of stress. Children, be careful. We are not converting the sentence from direct into indirect. The topic which we are discussing is reporting verbs. That is the reason why I have highlighted this reporting verbs with a different color. Be careful about it. His mother advised him not to take so much of stress. What is the reporting verb here? Advised is the reporting verb. Come to the next sentence now. The last sentence of the question. What is the last sentence? Suraj. The last sentence is transversed by Suraj over here. Don't worry. Please give me a hot cup of tea. This is the last utterance of Suraj. What is the answer of this? This you can see here. Suraj told his mother not to worry and requested her to give him a hot cup of coffee. So, what is the reporting verb used here then? It is requested. Here the question ends. If you have written the answer for the question, you can just check it with the answers which I have given you. And if you have not taken any efforts to write down the question and answer, I can't help you. Be responsible, take down the question, write down the answer, because grammar class is something important from your board examination point of view. Here you can see the reporting verb advised and here it is requested. Shall we advance into the next slide now? Okay. Come here. Here you can see a heading as reporting verbs. What we are going to do now? We are going to list out all the reporting verbs. What is the first reporting verb? Advised. Good. What is the next reporting verb? It's replied. These are the reporting verbs which we have used. Next. What is the next reporting verb? The next reporting verb is suggested. Is the word suggested visible to you, children? Okay. So, here I am giving you a list of reporting verbs in order to make you clear that how reporting verbs will be. Come to the next reporting verb now. What is the next reporting verb? Next reporting verb is requested. So, in the above statement, we have made use of all these reporting verbs. Come on, again tell with me, what are the reporting verbs used in the above statement? It is advised, replied, suggested and requested. Have you made a point of all these reporting verbs, children? Okay. Let us go into the next slide now. Now, here what you are going to do is, I gave you a work in your textbook. Have you completed the work in your textbook? In previous session, I gave you a work in your textbook. I asked you to underline the reporting verbs. Have you completed the homework? Then, in the next exercise, what you should do? You should pick out the right reporting verbs and you have to complete the sentence. So, this is not the homework of today. I am just asking you whether you have completed the homework of previous session. Do it, children. If you are not going to do it, you will not have a regular follow-up of things. With this, we are going to start with workbook exercises. Shall we start with workbook exercises then? Okay. Get ready with your workbook. This is the first time I am going to deal with your workbook. Get ready with your workbook. Let us start the session now.